A foundation of sacrifice. Maria glanced at the clock on the wall of the small diner where she worked, wiping her hands on her apron. It was nearly midnight, and the hum of the last dishwasher marked the end of her shift. Exhaustion weighed heavily on her, but she knew her day wasn't over. Her children, Elena and Mateo, were fast asleep at home, and there was still laundry to fold and bills to review before she could rest. Life as a single parent had never been easy for Maria. After her husband's sudden passing 5 years ago, she had taken on the role of both mother and father, working tirelessly to ensure her children had everything they needed. The dream she held on to, that Elena and Mateo would have opportunities she never did, kept her going. Maria worked 2 jobs, mornings at a local grocery store and evenings at the diner. Her body ached from the long hours, but she refused to complain. Instead, she found small moments of joy in her children's laughter, in Elena's drawings taped to the fridge, and in Mateo's enthusiastic recounting of his school day. Despite her sacrifices, Maria made it a point to teach her children the value of hard work and determination. Every weekend, she would sit with them at the kitchen table, helping with homework and talking about their dreams. Education is your key, she'd say. Work hard, stay focused, and you can achieve anything. One evening, Elena found Maria sitting at the kitchen table, head resting in her hands. "Mama, are you okay?" she asked softly. Maria looked up, forcing a smile. "I'm fine, Maja. Just a little tired." Elena hesitated before placing a piece of paper in front of her mother. It was a flyer for a school art competition. "I want to enter, but the supplies cost money. I can use my savings, though." Maria's heart broke at her daughter's words. She reached across the table and held Elena's hand. "No, Maja, you don't need to use your savings. We'll figure it out." That weekend, Maria took on an extra shift, using the additional earnings to buy Elena's art supplies. When Elena's painting won first prize, the pride in her daughter's eyes made every sacrifice worthwhile. Years passed, and Maria's hard work bore fruit. Elena earned a scholarship to a prestigious art school, and Mateo excelled in academics, dreaming of becoming an engineer. On the day Elena left for college, Maria hugged her tightly, tears streaming down her face. "I'm so proud of you," she whispered. "I wouldn't be here without you, Mama," Elena replied. "Everything I achieve is because of your sacrifices." As the years went on, Maria watched her children grow into accomplished and compassionate adults. They never forgot the lessons their mother had taught them. When they bought Maria a cozy home to replace the cramped apartment where they had grown up, she wept with gratitude. "This is your reward, Mama," Mateo said, "for everything you've done for us." Maria's journey had been one of relentless sacrifice and unwavering love. Through her struggles, she had built a foundation for her children, teaching them not just the value of hard work, but also the depth of a parent's devotion. Her story became a testament to the power of determination and the enduring strength of a mother's love.